from Get a Clue, and I'm here to do a makeup tutorial for you, so bear with me. This is the first one I'm doing, and hopefully I'll get better along the way. So first I'm going to start off with my Quick Fix by Urban Decay. It's basically a priming spray. Super good, hydrates the skin, smells like coconut. Now I'm using my Optical Illusion Primer, also by Urban Decay. It's supposed to soothe and pore perfect your face for your makeup. I barely use it, honestly. So today I'm going to be using the Naked Heat Palette by Urban Decay. And I'm going to start off with the color Sauced. That's going to be our transitional color. I'm kind of putting it just all over my lid, mostly sticking to by my crease area. I don't put a lot. Now I'm going to go in with Low Blow. That's going to be our crease color. I'm going to kind of darken it just a little bit. So we got some color going on. Now I'm using En Fuego. Is a little bit of a darker color. That's going to be on our outer corner of the eye and kind of blend it in so we darken up the reds. Now I'm going to put concealer on my eyelid, and the shade is Medium Neutral from Urban Decay. So now I can put the Scorched color. I'm going to pat it on top of my eyelid like so. So I'm going to finish off my look with Ashes. It's a dark color that I'm going to put on the center part of my eye just to add a definition. Little hack for eyeliner is draw in your wing first and perfect it, then move on to the rest of your eye. Next I'm going to put lashes. I use Ardell because they are amazing and they fit my eye so well without me having to clip it or anything. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow to fill in my eyebrows. It's in the color dark brown. Not really good at eyebrows yet. So I'm going to highlight them using my concealer once again in the medium neutral. Just going around, coloring it, making them pop. Next I'm using my Naked Skin by Urban Decay Weightless Ultra Definition Liquid Makeup in the color 7.5. I'm also going to be contouring my face with a Maybelline concealer in the color Cafe, and also my medium neutral Urban Decay. So this is my glow kit from Anastasia. It's the sun dipped one. I'm gonna be using bronze on my cheekbones in Summer as my highlight. Just gonna kind of highlight around my face a little bit, and this is the look. It's completed. Thanks for watching, guys.